What's up, guys? I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm trying out this thing. Today we got a client. We're cleaning their headlights. These are rear lights, but we're gonna be cleaning the headlights. So hopefully we can get it done. It's super windy outside and I'm wearing shorts and it's like 40 degrees right now. This will be my first mobile job, so I have to get my stuff ready to go, and I got about 30 minutes. So let's do it. Oh my god. Why? We're gonna be putting all of my stuff in this laundry basket I have in my car. Okay, please don't make fun of my garage. I know it's super messy. Hold on. What do I need? I need water. Which one of these is water? I think this one is water. That is definitely not water. Is this one water? This one has... No, that says iron decon. What the fork? I had like 4 different bottles. Where did it all go? We're gonna need some towels. I wasn't expecting it to be this windy today. Boom, towels. Alright, don't judge me. Everything I have is in a dog pad box, but you know, I need to do what need to be done. Okay, I need garbage bags. I will need this respirator. Gonna need alcohol. Need my sandpaper, paper towels, and scissors. Oh, I'm back. I needed scissors. I got scissors. Let's just take a fresh roll of paper towels, you know. Are these lint free? They're super premium, so they gotta be lint free, right? Let me double check my list. Hopefully this is still recording. We've got spray bottle, garage bags, tape. See, I knew I was missing something. Where my tape at? So my cousin did have the tape, so we have the tape all ready to go. Spray bottle, garage bags, tape, scissors, paper towels, alcohol, sandpaper, clear coat. Last thing we needed was my clear coat. Here it is. Clear coat. Perfect. Now we're all ready and good to go. I wasn't expecting it to be this cold. I'm wearing shorts, clothes. Now we're good. Easy.
These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in.
Alright, it's currently, but it's 9:38. We're gonna get started. First thing we have to do, we need to tape the surrounding areas just so we don't damage the paint. Damn, wish I had a chair. It's alright. Hopefully I do a good job. I hope I don't mess up. Please don't make me mess up. I'm tired already. This is not good. Alright, boom, we're done. My legs are sore. It's a good thing I'm Filipino though. I could do this squat for days. This squat right here is perfected down to the brim. I don't even know what that means though. I just be talking. I'm reiterating that I could do the squat for hours because my toes is starting to curl, but no! The tape ripped the wrong way. We'll go to 400, we'll go to 600, to 2000 to find things out. Shout out Chris Fix, because this stuff really works. I've done it on a number of cars already. We're gonna go a little swirly motions. Don't forget to get the grooves. We're just gonna move side to side. We can feel that the headlight is very smooth. Alcohol dries fast, so we're just gonna clean it off. Any fingerprints or anything dirty will come off the headlight. Now that we've got that taped up, we are putting on a respirator because it smells very strong. We're gonna put on goggles as well because I don't want to get it in my eyes. Even sprays. Yeah, I got wrist pain. Ooh, that doesn't feel good. We're gonna tough it out. They're clean. It took me about almost 3 hours. Definitely didn't think I was gonna be here that long, but hey, they look good though.